welcome back to my channel. Today we will be focusing on the eyes. I wanted to do an eye look related to, the holidays coming up for Thanksgiving and for fall time. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. Before we get into the video, definitely don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell because that notifies you whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so today I will be doing a fall-esque holiday look. So I will be using more orangey, brownish, maybe a little bit of a yellow tint to my eyeshadows. So I'm going to be using the shade B5 from the Anastasia Norvina collection, which is just the orange palette. And I'm going to take that on a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to concentrate that shade on my crease. So then I'm going to go into E3 from that same palette, which is like a peachy orangey shade with the same brush, and just put that in that same exact area. And take E4, which is this yellow shade up here. I'm going to concentrate that towards the top of those two shades that I just put on. And I'm going to go into C3, which is like this shade right here. And I'm going to concentrate a little lower. Now we have a little bit of a gradient effect going on. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a deeper brown. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Amrezy palette, and I'm going to use OG and New Yorker, which are these two right here. I'm going to take just a fluffy brush. This one just has shorter bristles. I'm going to concentrate that more so on the outer corner of my eye. Those two shades from this palette are absolutely stunning. I'm also going to be using the gold from this palette. It is so pigmented. It's super pretty. So now that I've got it the way that I want, I'm going to go ahead and start putting it in the crease and blending inward. So now we look a little like this. I'm going to take that same brush, which is a Morphe brush. It doesn't say a number, but it's a Morphe brush, and I'm going to take the shade 1988, which is a deeper brown, and I'm just going to concentrate very little of that product on the outer edge, on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so now we've got basically our base matte shades. I'm going to go in with that golden bronzy shade Dragon with my middle finger. I'm going to take a more precise brush. I'm just going to take a flat shader brush. I'm going to grab that Dragon shade. After that, I'm going to go in with that little crease brush that I used previously with no extra product. And I'm just going to try to blend the darker brown with the gold shade so that it's not like overlapping. It's more so gradiently fading in. I'm going to go ahead and use a brown liquid liner. This is a Physicians Formula brown felt tip liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply my MAC Soft and Gentle highlight. But when I apply my highlight, normally I go into the brow bone a little bit. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew, which is a dark brown. And then I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Push Up, which is like a deeper nude. I've actually been really enjoying this long lasting lipstick from NYX. I actually seen it being used on Leslie Marie's channel on YouTube, so definitely check her out. She does amazing videos. I love watching her. I'm also going to top this lip combo with the Fenty Gloss in Fenty Glow. While I wait for the lash glue to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and finish my under eye. I'm going to go ahead and mix these two brown shades from the Amrezy palette, New Yorker and OG. I'm going to go in with a black liquid liner, and I'm going to use that to fill in the waterline. Alright, so all I did now is I added a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line, and we're pretty much done with the whole look. I love the way it came out. I love the way the shades are playing together, and then this lip combo with the eye look I think goes perfectly. If you're wondering what I used on the rest of my face, I will definitely link it down below in the description box. Always look down there if there's something that you're confused about that I didn't mention in the video. I'll probably link it or describe it in the description box, as well as I always have my social medias linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.